Hi, I'm Jubal Fulks, head of the string area at the University of Northern Colorado. And on behalf of my colleagues, I would like to encourage and invite young string players in grades 9 through 12 to apply for the Western States Honor Orchestra Festival. Hosted during the first weekend of every November, this exciting and intensive festival features two orchestras, one conductorless string orchestra led by UNC string faculty, and a larger full symphony orchestra conducted by UNC's orchestra director. Over the course of 3 days, participants rehearse on the campus of the University of Northern Colorado in our beautiful new Campus Commons, culminating with the final performance in our stunning and acoustically rich performance hall. Students get to experience rehearsals, sectionals, masterclasses, and more with world-class faculty and peers from around the region who share a dedication and commitment to performing to the best of their ability. The result is an unforgettable performance experience, as well as new friendships and connections with other young string players in the region.
And then the piece starts after that, really. Okay, that was gorgeous. Let's do that every time.
Well, I learned that it was going to be a lot more violin than I've ever played in my life. That was really cool, though.
You're holding on to every note, yeah? Right on this.
It's cool to work with a bunch of different people and get to know other musicians in Colorado.
This has been like a really great opportunity for me to really develop my music as a musician.
When those kids get back to your orchestra or my orchestra, they are jazzed and excited about orchestra. They also come back to it with a different perspective. It's a more collaborative approach, and they come back to it really, really encouraged and really having a great time.
And it's cool because this is a really big group and I've never been in a group so massive. And so it's cool to hear all the parts coming together.
If I had the chance, I would do it again.
I will do this again.
Absolutely.
Recorded auditions are due in mid-September, with results posted by the beginning of October. To apply, simply visit the website on your screen. We're looking forward to seeing you on campus in the fall for the Western States Honor Orchestra Festival.